Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Basecamp projects after admin changes, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore Basecamp projects after admin changes, start by logging into your Basecamp account. Navigate to the projects section of your Basecamp dashboard. Identify the project you want to restore. Click on the project name to access its settings. Look for the project info or settings option within the project. Check the history or activity log for any recent changes made by admins. If you find the changes you want to revert, take note of the specific modifications. Contact your Basecamp admin if you do not have permission to make changes. Discuss the changes that need to be reverted with your admin. Request that they revert the project settings back to the previous state. If the project is archived, go to the Archived Projects section. Locate the project and click on the Restore option. Confirm that you want to restore the project. After restoration, review the project to ensure all elements are in place. If tasks or messages were deleted, check if they are recoverable from the project history. Communicate with your team about the changes you've made. Document any important adjustments for future reference. Make sure to monitor the project closely after these changes. Address any further issues that may arise promptly. This will help ensure that the project runs smoothly moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.